Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you Samsung washing machine that I brought during Diwali, and this is the latest 2024 model. It is a non-Wi-Fi model. It doesn't come with Wi-Fi, and it has the eco bubble and digital inverter technology. It is 8 kg capacity, and it has 14 wash cycles. Okay, you can see there is quick wash, daily wash, delicates, wool, super eco wash, colors, beddings. So based on the fabrics, you can use these wash cycles. So for daily wash, you can use the daily wash. If you have a mixed kind of clothes, you can use daily wash, and you can also customize your wash cycle, like controlling the temperature of the water and the rinse, how much times you want to rinse the clothes, and how much time you want to how much fast you want the spin to happen. The maximum is 1400 rpm, and this is if the clothes are more dirty, you can use this option to rinse even more and soak the clothes. And you can also choose the iron friendly like clothes, like it doesn't get wrinkles and such things if you choose this option. And same, this is bubble soak. If the clothes are very dirty, you can use this. And this is the option where you can choose for making the clothes iron friendly, and this is for increasing the time of the wash cycle. And this is the power button and the play button, play and pause. So before installing the washing machine, if you are using it for the first time, you need to use the AH for this. Normal switch is not recommended because it consumes more watt. And so this is the tap, and you should also have this kind of tap for the washing machine. They will fit the pipe here. So that's it, guys, and I'm going to put the clothes and show you. So let's put the clothes. This is the drum. It is a steel drum, you can see. And this washing machine comes with 2-year warranty, and for the motor you get 20 years warranty. So let's put the clothes. So guys, make sure that you leave some 25% space in the drum, because if you put 100% of the drum, it won't be able to spin properly and clothes won't get clean. So leave some space. Okay. And before putting the some clothes, like you have to check the pockets, like if you don't have coins or anything stuff inside the pants, so remove them and put them. So even if you forget it, the coins will get stored in this bottom, here in this area. You have to open this and remove that coins, and whatever dirt is there will be settled here, and monthly you have to do that maintenance. Okay guys, so let's put the lid. I'm going to start the washing machine, and I'm going to put the detergent here. I have been using the Ariel liquid detergent. You can use powder or liquid, anything you want, but liquid is recommended for perfect wash for clean clothes. Somebody told me that Surf Excel is better than Arial. Let's see. This is the first time I'm using Arial. So Arial, and you can use Comfort here. You can add Comfort, and here Arial. This is for optional detergent. You can use Rinala like that. Okay. So let's put the detergent now. Max line there. You can see. So put the detergent up till there and don't put over. Okay. I'm using Bosch softener here that I brought while I brought the washing machine. So let's add that. So Comfort is better than this. So you can add Comfort also here. So let's close the lid. Let's start the washing machine. So by default it is the cotton wash cycle. You can change it. You can set daily wash or any wash you feel that is appropriate for the clothes. So I'm going to use colors now because I've added my jeans and t-shirts. I'm going to change the temperature a little bit. I'm going to lower that. I don't want it to be too hot. So 4 times it will rinse and 1400 rpm it will spin. So it will take 1 hour 25 minutes. It will also recalculate it after it starts. Okay. So let's play the button. You can see the lid is locked now. It is taking the water now. So you can see it is spinning, the drum is spinning. It's recalculating the time required. So based on the weight of the clothes, it will recalculate. It's 1 hour 25 minutes. So after 1 hour 25 minutes, it will alarm, and then you can take off the clothes and put it for drying. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions you can comment it. Thank you for watching.